Lunge out as far as you can. Passe, and your goal is to push fast, and what do you have to use to stop yourself there? Core. Use the core, right? Yes, we got to use our core. So we lunge out, passe, and hold. 6, 7, 8, releve. 2, 3, 4, hold for 8 counts. You have to hold that releve. Okay, what I want to see you doing, I want to see you up on that releve going, and squeezing and fighting with your core. Don't just give up so quickly, right? We want to try to fight. But we want to fight with the right parts of us, not this. We don't want to fight with the hop. Just saying, I saw a lot of you guys doing where we are not extending through that leg all the way. So get that leg straight. So you push to flat foot first, but the goal is to go lunge and go quick and try to find that balance, right? So, but you don't push to releve. We go to flat foot. So it goes lunge out, passe, hold 5, 6, 7, 8, releve. 2, and fight with your core. 5, 6, 7, 8, and runner. Okay, you go all the way down to a runner, passe, and runner, passe. Now the whole point of this, you guys, is to get that passe up fast and find that position quickly, because that's what a lot of times we struggle with. So when you go all the way down to your runner, I want booties all the way down, and then watch Brianna how quick she pulls up. Up. We want to snap up. So we go runner, passe, runner, passe, and down 6, 7, 8 to go this way. Lunge out, passe, hold 5, 6, 7, 8, releve. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and runner, passe, runner, passe. Now we'll do it again on our other side, but now this time when you go runner, we go runner, releve. The second time through, you do runner to releve, okay? So really fighting, the whole point of this is to fight for that technique so that it becomes part of our habit of having good technique, right? And fighting for using those core muscles and our placement. All right, I'll play that part of the music. Just wanted to give you a heads up of what was about to happen because I knew we weren't going to be prepared. Oh, there it is.
Passe, hold 5, 6, 7, 8, releve.
Fight, squeeze your belly.
5, 6, 7, 8, and runner.
Up, quick.
Runner.
Good.
Passe.
One more.
Runner. Passe.
Arms down.
And down. 6, left leg goes lean left. Passe.
Pull it up faster, you guys, faster.
6, 7, 8, releve.
Yep, Cameron, watch where that foot is.
5, 6,
Bring your foot up to
7,
passe.
8, it's runner. Passe.
Yep, so I want you now to even fight for that to get a little bit higher. Yes, there, good. With keeping those hips good. Yep, good.
5, 6, 7, 8, right. And up.
Fight.
Hold 5, 6, 7, 8, releve.
Squeeze your quad. Squeeze.
5,
Brecken, get that leg straight.
8, runner.
Now squeeze. Yeah, there you go.
Runner.
Squeeze. Push that releve even higher. Squeeze.
5, 6, other way, lunge left. And up.
Squeeze your quad, you guys.
6, 7, 8, releve.
Good, watch that. Watch his fingers a little bit. Yep.
7, 8, and
Good.
runner. Releve.
Get those booties down. Booties down.
Releve. And runner. Up. 5, 6, 7, 8, rock right. Left and reach. And left. Right and reach. And right.